day 9. I don't know, 9 or 8 here in China, and today we're going to the Great Wall of China. Hey guys, so right now we're about to ride a helicopter to go around the Great Wall. What do you think?
It was so fun, super sarap. The experience is so surreal.
Hey guys, so we finished the helicopter ride, and what do you think?
It was so fun. The feeling is so surreal.
It was so fun.
Yeah.
And we were so high. If you're scared of heights,
No.
you probably shouldn't go because it was so high.
It was so awesome.
But we're not scared of heights, so that's that. Now we're just waiting for my brothers and our tour guide to get back here because they're the one who's riding the helicopter now. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so now we're going to the Great Wall itself. So I'll see you guys there.
Walk there.
Hey guys, so now we are going to ride the cable car. Oh my god, I'm running out of breath. To go on top of the Great Wall. There's a lot of snow here and it's very, very cold. It's really cold. I'm running out of breath. but it's so hard to climb it. It is extremely steep. The stairs. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It is so hard to climb.
So hard to climb?
Yes. Hey guys, so we're on the top of the Great Wall now. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So beautiful up here though. I'll show you guys the view. Hey guys, so I didn't tell you guys, we're in Badaling, and yeah, we're down now. We're just going back to the cable car, and then after that we're going to lunch, and then after that we're going to the Olympic Stadium something. I'll tell you guys later, but we're going down now to go get lunch. So we're going to leave the Great Wall, so that's sad. It's very pretty in here. It's actually not that cold because there's sun and it's kind of hot, so yeah. Hey guys, so we're at the restaurant and we're gonna eat now, and I'm hungry, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. So right now we're here at the Olympic Games Stadium here in Beijing. They used this for the Olympic Games in 2008. So I'll just show you guys around. So it's about an hour since I talked. Oh, I have the hiccups since I talked to you guys, and we finished the tour, and then now we're going to Fujing again to look around. So I will not talk now because I have the hiccups. Bye. I think we're going home now. I don't know, but we're heading home, but I don't know if we're going home. And we bought shoes, so me and my brother bought shoes, so that's that, and let's keep walking, I guess. at the hotel now, and this is where I'm gonna finish the vlog. I'm quite tired, but it's fine. Tomorrow is gonna be our last day here in China, and it's sad, and also I'm excited to go back home because it's been 9 days, and yeah, I miss home. So this is where I'm gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see day 10 here in China. Bye.